In today's video, I'll show you how to install the V4EVER Mega Mod in GTA 5 Enhanced to transform Los Santos with thousands of new objects, improved streets, and a modern city look. Check my video description for this mod download link. Select the download option next to Enhanced. Select the download. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And then open this txt, copy this link, paste the link, select the download option and download this 1.10 GB file. Once download done, here you can able to see the file 1.16 GB. These two are required to make this mod run properly. Check my video description for these two more as link as well. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Try and drop all these files inside of a game folder. And then go back and open RPF and drop this file inside of a game folder, and then go back and open this GTA V4EVER mod and drop this update folder inside your game folder. Once you're done, need to open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed for GTA 5 Enhanced, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5 Enhanced. Follow this video steps and install OpenIV. Once installed done, open the update.rpf common data and DLC list. Select the edit mode and select the yes option. Now right click on the DLC list and select the edit option. Scroll down to the bottom, copy this last line, and next to item press enter and paste the text we copied. Open update x64 DLC packs, right click and select rename, copy this name, paste right in this to slash and select save option. Everything is done. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see new billboards and lots of changes. Here you can able to see trees and garbage boxes. Lots of changes I can able to see. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.